5 seconds to go. Start. Joining the event are Governor of Punjab Shri VP Singh Badnoor ji, Chief Minister of Punjab Captain Amarinder Singh ji, my colleagues in the Union Cabinet Shri G. Kishan Reddy ji, Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, Shri Shom Prakash ji, my colleague in Parliament Shri Swet Malik ji, all the respected Chief Ministers, public representatives, family members of the martyrs, brothers and sisters. I salute the brave land of Punjab and the holy soil of Jallianwala Bagh. Salute also to those children of Mother Bharti whose burning flame of freedom was extinguished brutally. The dreams of those innocent boys and girls, sisters and brothers are still visible in the bullet marks in the walls of Jallianwala Bagh. The lives of children of countless mothers and sisters were snatched away at Shahidi Kuan. Their dreams were trampled upon. We are remembering them all today. Brothers and sisters, Jallianwala Bagh is the place which inspired the countless revolutionaries and fighters like Sardar Udham Singh and Sardar Bhagat Singh to die for the freedom of India. Those 10 minutes of 13th April 1919, the true saga of our freedom struggle, have become eternal, due to which we are able to celebrate the Amrit Mahotsav of freedom. It is an occasion of great inspiration for all of us that we are getting the renovated complex of the Jallianwala Bagh Memorial in the 75th year of independence. It has been my good fortune that I have had the privilege of visiting this holy land of Jallianwala Bagh several times and applying the holy soil here on my forehead. This renovation has made the immortal saga of sacrifice more eternal. The different galleries, the pictures of martyrs engraved in the walls, and the statue of Shahid Udham Singh ji take us to that period. The holy Baisakhi fairs used to be held here before the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. It was on this day that Guru Gobind Singh ji founded the Khalsa Panth with the spirit of Sarbat da Bhala, welfare of all. This new look of Jallianwala Bagh in the 75th year of independence will inspire the countrymen to know a lot about the history of this holy place, about its past. This place will always remind the new generation of this journey of our freedom, the trials of our ancestors, their sacrifice and countless struggles. We will also draw inspiration with renewed energy regarding our duties towards the nation and keeping the interests of the country paramount in whatever we do. Friends, it is the responsibility of every nation to preserve its history. The historic events teach us a lot and also give us the direction to move forward. We have also witnessed another horror like Jallianwala Bagh at the time of partition of India. The hard-working and lively people of Punjab have been the biggest victims of partition. We still feel the pain of what happened at the time of partition in every corner of India and especially in the families of Punjab. It is not right for any country to ignore such horrors of its past. Therefore, India has decided to observe 14th August every year as the Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. This day will also remind the future generations the price we paid for our freedom. They will be able to feel the pain which crowds of Indians suffered at the time of partition. Friends, Gurbani teaches us that is happiness comes from serving others. We are happy only when we feel the pain of others as well as our own. Therefore, if any Indian is in trouble today, anywhere in the world, India stands up to help him with all its might. The world has taken note of it, whether it was during Corona or the current crisis in Afghanistan. Hundreds of friends from Afghanistan are being brought to India under Operation Devi Shakti. There are many challenges and circumstances are difficult, but Guru's grace also remains with us. We have also brought the Swaroop of the Holy Guru Granth Sahib along with the people to India from Afghanistan. Friends, over the years, the country has made every effort to fulfill this responsibility, keeping in mind the teachings of humanity by our Gurus. The country has also made new laws for its people persecuted by such circumstances. Friends, the current global circumstances underline the importance of Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, One India, Supreme India. These incidents remind us of the need for self-reliance and self-confidence as a nation. Therefore, when we are celebrating 75 years of independence, it is necessary that we strengthen the foundation of our nation and take pride in it. The Amrit Mahotsav of freedom reflects this resolve as freedom fighters are being remembered and honored in every village. Dedicated efforts are being made to bring the important milestones of the country's freedom struggle to the fore. The places associated with the national heroes of the country are not only being preserved, but new dimensions are also being added. Other national monuments associated with independence like Jallianwala Bagh are also being renovated. The construction of the country's first interactive gallery art at the Allahabad Museum, displaying every revolution from 1857 to 1947, will be completed soon. This Azad gallery, dedicated to Krantiveer Chandrasekhar Azad, will provide a digital experience of the documents related to the armed revolution at that time. Similarly, the Biplobi Bharat Gallery in Kolkata is being made attractive for the future generation through modern technology. Earlier, an attempt has been made by the government to bring out the contribution of Azad Hind Fauj from the pages of history. The place where Netaji hoisted the tricolour for the first time in Andaman has also been given a new identity. The names of the islands of Andaman have also been dedicated to the freedom struggle. Brothers and sisters, our tribal society has a great contribution in the great sacrifice of freedom. The immortal tales of sacrifice by tribal communities still inspire us. Their contribution did not get as much place in the history books as it should have. Presently, work is in progress on museums in 9 states depicting tribal freedom fighters and their struggle. Stop.